Welcome once again to my channel. I'm so glad to have you here. In this video, I'll be showing you one of the easy ways I add vegetables to my diet. Did you know that you can actually use vegetables in eating your beans? I'm not talking of the vegetables you use while preparing it. I mean raw vegetables. And my passion is to help share all the knowledge that I have to make this happen, to help you live a healthy, longer, better life. And letting you know that you can do all of this without having to dig holes into your pocket or rob the bank. It is achievable. Here are two typical examples. To the left is lettuce with some sliced diced onions, and to the right is some steamed green leaves. Personally, I prefer the lettuce and diced onions, but my husband prefers the steamed vegetables. I know that's only temporary because very soon he will join in my league. If you want to see videos of how I prepare these vegetables, be sure to subscribe and click on the notification button so that you will get updates anytime I share a post. Same goes with the beans and potatoes porridge recipe. Do you want to know how I made it? Please subscribe so that anytime I make it, you'll be notified. So back to the video. This is so easy to do and you can make this happen every day. Make it a lifestyle. You're eating anything, you have vegetables right by your side. Either as a side dish or as a smoothie, or vegetables can be eaten in various ways. Do you like this video or do you want me to keep doing something else? Please drop your comments below. I'll be glad to read from you. See you in another video. Bye.